How to set up Stripe on Wix. So in order to set up your Stripe on Wix, first things first, head over right here into your actual Wix setup or homepage or dashboard. Go over right here to the apps. And then from in there, click on this app market. Now, once you're in here, you should be redirected to the app market of Wix. So the next thing that you need to do is just click onto the search bar that we have right here and then search in here for Stripe. So click on it, search for Stripe, and you should be able to see here this payments option. So you can just click on that, and then it should be able to show you in here some more search results that actually supports. So we have in here some applications. So in here you can click onto this PayPal button. Now, don't worry because even if it's called PayPal button, it actually offers PayPal credit cards, buy now pay later, and it's via Stripe payments. They also have one-time payment subscription or donation via Affirm, Klarna, and Afterpay. They also accept payments for around 100 currencies. So in a case that's actually set up by Stripe itself. Click onto this add to site option from here, and then this should be able to load in order to set up this app. Click onto this agree and add, and then from in there, it should be able to add or install this particular application into your Wix site. So just wait for this to load, and it should be added right here. From here on out, click onto this add to site option, and then it should be added right here into your actual site, and it should be able to be loaded. Now head back right here into your site and then click on open right here under the app. And then this will help open that application. Then from in there, you can just click on the get started right here in order to successfully install this particular application and use it right here into your site. So that's how you set up Stripe on Wix. Hope we helped.